Hello and welcome back to Accidentally Country. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy firewood rack with no tools for around $10. Follow along. This is Accidentally Country. Living in the country for 4 years has taught me a lot about firewood racks and splitting wood. This right here will hold about 50 to 60 pieces of wood, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Make sure you stay around to the end, as I'll give you some suggestions on placement as well as a safety demonstration to see how sturdy this really is. The first thing you want to do is get your 2 cinder blocks, and you want to lay them on level ground. It's important to make sure it's level, otherwise your gravity will work against you. You want to make sure you put them front to back like this. Do not have them side to side or the gravity will tip it over. Next thing is you want to have 2 seasoned 2x4x8s cut in half. The good news is you don't even have to use tools, because you can get your home department store to cut them for you. You want to put one on each side like this and do the same on the back. With the weight pushing on each side, it's going to have equal distribution of force and will help the firewood rack not tip over. And this is literally all you have to do to make a firewood rack for under $10. So let's put the wood on and let's see how it stands the test. Relative to placement, I would recommend this being around 10 feet or more from your house. A good tip is many times, like rodents do like to be and insects like to be around the woods, you don't want it to be right up against your house, but certainly nothing wrong with it being close to your house. As far as covering, all you really need is a small tarp, and the wood should season on its own if you're looking to season the wood. It doesn't really matter if the wood gets wet on the sides. One of the things that concerned me was how safe would this be for young kids? And I would recommend, if you do have young kids, maybe it's not the rack for you. I have found it still very, very sturdy, but you just don't want to risk it if you got young kids. But with that said, I'm going to push this and see how hard it is to actually knock this thing over on my own. So as you can see, it can tip over, but it takes a lot of strength as long as it's on a level ground. The weight of the wood will hold this in place. Again though, if there's kids, you may want to think twice about actually using this rack, but this is a very easy thing to do. It took me just a few minutes to put it together, and hopefully, if you choose to do this, it'll provide enjoyment for many campfires or indoor fires to come. Thanks for watching Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.